Hello, audience. It's me, Saoirse Cimorelli. Last year, possibly September, my sister-in-law, who is the wife of my third eldest brother, gave me a pack of BlackPink Photocards that contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 cards. And this year, they visited me probably last week for today, as of this recording. She gave me not just one, but two while I was having breakfast with pancakes from but my sister-in-law probably went to South Korea to get these cards like these. But before that, I opened this whole box of Blackpink deadline cards here, and it contains 45 copies of them, but they're not 45 identical copies. Look at them. There's so many cards. That's from the deadline concert. Blackpink, Lisa's my favorite. Sometimes like Rose or Jisoo or Jenny. Yes, there are way a lot of cards in this pack. See these? I'm partially a fan of Blackpink like this. Look at these cards. Even horizontally printed ones. Nice. And look at this dent when I was trying to return. But today, I'm about to open this kind of pack. Here are some more of Blackpink's photo cards again. Oh, here we go. Oh my god! More of them! Hope they're not identical. Wow! More Lisa, more Rose, more Jenny Jisoo and the group. Like this one, that one, that one. Some of these, and the group again. This is from the Deadline expansion. Yeah. Followed by and another one with a different packaging. And let's see what I can get. I'm trying to open this until... Oh! Look at this! Whoa! Hearts? And not just that. Whoa! The group. And that one. I like Rose. Look at that. So what do you think of both of these cards? Leave a comment below. As always, my fellow audience, as always, peace out. Blinks.